Quantum computing breakthroughs. The future is here. Imagine a world where computers can solve problems that today's supercomputers can't even touch. Welcome to the future of quantum computing. Dr. John Preskill, a pioneer in quantum computing, shares the latest breakthroughs in this revolutionary field. Quantum computers harness the strange and powerful principles of quantum mechanics. They can process information in ways that classical computers never could. At the heart of quantum computing are qubits. Unlike classical bits, qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to superposition. And through entanglement, qubits can be interconnected, allowing for unprecedented computational power. These capabilities open doors to solving complex problems in cryptography, material science, and even drug discovery. Quantum computing is not just a technological leap. It's a giant stride towards a smarter, more efficient world. Stay tuned as we journey into the quantum realm. The future is quantum. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content.